Today we're going to be reviewing this 10x6 glueless unit. Yeah, so if you like to watch this kind of content and you are a beginner wig slayer, then continue watching this video. Team EMS. Without further ado, let's try this wig on. I'm not going to put anything on it, and it is straight out the pack. This is a water wave 26-inch 10x6 unit, okay? And baby, did all the work for you. So if you one of those girls that, like myself, that I'm not a lace girl, I like wearing lace, but I'm not good, you know, customizing and all that. That's not my strong point. I'm a shortcut killer. I appreciate this. It's pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-cut, pre-everything, okay? We're gonna take her out the pack. I'm going to Jamaica. This is gonna be like right on time for me. This is how the inside of the wig looks. You see those knots already bleached. It has an elastic band on the back, and then on the back of the band, it also has, see that? It's like some silicone, so that's gonna help with slippage in the back. It also has a removable comb. I actually use the combs and I appreciate them, so I'm gonna leave my comb in here. Let's just slip her on before I do anything to it. I already got my ball cap, and if you can see, I didn't do the sides, and I put my own sideburns out because this is a 10x6, so it's not gonna go all the way across. For me, I have a small head, so surprisingly, the unit almost goes all the way over. You can go like this, but we're gonna melt this down. Now, like I said, I am going to Jamaica, so I need my wig to stay on. I need my wig to wig, okay? I am actually gonna glue this on. I'm gonna use the Boho Active because I need it to stay on all weekend. But you do not have to glue this wig on by any means. Like, let me show y'all what it looks like before I glue it on, and to let y'all see how great of a hold it has. This is water, okay? I ain't putting none all over there. I'm just showing y'all the front. But do y'all see? That's just with water. Water, okay? But again, I'm going to Jamaica, so I need sis to assist, okay? And let me show y'all how far back the part goes. See? Definitely plenty of room to work with. But let me get her on. I did put 3 coats on here because I need the hair to hair, okay? And I'm gonna, oops. Now y'all see the lace is a little light, so we gonna fix that. I'm gonna take some of this. I ain't gonna say the name. If you know, you know. I did not just buy this to all my boycotters. I already had this, okay? If y'all can see how long this hair is. See, it's big, it's giving Diana Ross. But I'm finna tame this down using Main Life Collection, Main Mint Foam. The best. It's gonna mainly tame these curls down. But the good thing about it, it's not gonna be hard. Oh. You can see the difference in this side. And then this side. So we're not giving Diana Ross, okay? I want to give this. See how nice these curls look? It is like 11 o'clock at night. I'm so tired. But I gotta get this done. Here's the reveal. Now, I'm gonna use this tint I got. Y'all, I've had it so long. The girl actually died that used to make this. But I've literally had it that long. So now you can see. I'm ready. So y'all, I'm ready for my trip. I will have everything linked in the description box below where you can go ahead and grab this unit for Ashimary Hair. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notified, and I'll see you guys again for the next video.